This is all the breakout. This was that first candle with the upper and upper and lower. Let me take this line off because I don't want anybody to get confused by that. But these two lines were the breakout, the window around the first candle. And once it broke out of that, but because it kind of lingered here, I thought it wasn't going to do much. So you see, I came back in on this candle. It did come back into that zone, but then when it started moving, so then once it broke out, this would have been but it just took the way you thinking the breakout is based on the first 15-minute candle. This is 1 hour, 2 hours. We're on, 2.5 hours before it really broke out good. So you'd have to be watching for the breakout. And that for me is more stock market watching than I like to do. I like to do because, I'm working on my focus. You all see this right here. That's why this is on my screen. Focus. Follow one course until successful. I don't know if I've been successful with following the one course. My brain gets pulled away and Lord, help us. But this was the breakout. It broke out around 11:30 and it did its thing for the rest of the day, pretty much. So for those who were looking at that or thinking about the breakout thing, that's what it could look like.
Arlissa, good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Good. With you mentioning that, can we put an alarm or something on to see when it's getting there, so we don't have to watch it? Because I'm right there with you. I can't focus on when my brain's all over the place.
Yeah. I think that would be a great thing to do, Cynthia, that if you put an alert on the top of it and alert on the bottom of it, at least it'll alert you to go look, so you're not just watching it, but it'll alert you, because here you had the idea here that it was going to maybe break out toward the bottom, and then it stopped there and said, nope, going the other way, which this is about the 10 o'clock. No, this 10 o'clock would have been here. 10 o'clock turnaround was right in here. So it turned around and went this way and then decided at 10:30 it was going the other way again. So yes, I think the putting an alert on it is a great thing. If that's something you're interested in doing.
Where would you be putting the alert?
I would have put the alert for the top. So I would have said if it goes above 43.12, if it gets above 43.12 to send the alert, and if it gets below, what's this number here? If it gets below 43.05, put the alert.
Because that's the range of the first 15 minutes.
This is right, because this is the range of the first 15-minute candle. The top of it was about 43.12. The bottom was about 43.05. So once it goes below that, put the alert on, so at least it alerts you to go look, so that it's not to really necessarily set the trade yet, but at least you got your mind gets pulled back to it in order to take a look at it.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, hey, everybody. I wanted to come and to share what I believe is an incredible opportunity for those who are looking to learn how to trade options, and you need a little more guidance, a little more support as we move forward. It's the Options 411 live coaching and training. It's about 4 week. It's a 4-week program. It includes several sessions a week that will get you up and running. So what's included? First, we're going to help you get your accounts open and set up the right way for trading options. Many of you already have accounts open, but you may not have them set up, or you may not be at the right level to trade options the way you'd want to trade options. We're going to help you get that situated. Then once you have your platforms, we're going to help you find your way around those platforms. You need to know which buttons to push, what's going to do this, what's going to do that. Many times I find that the platforms do a lot more than we know how to do, and you just want to be able to utilize what you have. We also want to teach and understand the language of options. Options is an entirely new education, an entirely new world for many of us, and new educations always come with new terminology. We need to learn the words so that we'll know what stuff means when they're talking about in the money and out of the money and all those other things, strike prices. You need to know what all that stuff means. We also will teach you how to chart support and resistance zones. Everything in stop trading comes down to those charts. People use indicators. I'm a fan of indicators, but all of those indicators are based on price action that's previously happened, right? So you want to learn how to chart the support and resistance zone so you can get a good understanding of where the price may go and may not go. All right. We also then will teach you all the option selling strategies, how to sell puts, how to sell covered calls, how to do vertical credit spreads, how to short so you can make money when stock prices are going up and when stock prices are going down, right? Then we're going to teach you how to create your own trading plan for profits. I have found that people are different personalities. Some are very aggressive traders, others are a lot more conservative traders. You need a trading plan that's going to fit your style, right? So we'll help you create a trading plan that works for you so you can make your profits every week. And as a bonus, you're going to have access to the Educator to Trader membership. Our membership includes morning calls. We have coaching calls every other Saturday. We have a very supportive community that always supports and helps each other trade. It's just a good community to have somebody basically doing what you do, going the same way you're going, right? All of the stuff I just mentioned, that's included. Getting your accounts opened up, finding your way around your platform, getting the language and the lingo, learning how to chart, learning the seller strategies for profits every week, creating your own trading plan, and having access to the E2T membership. All that is included for $297 4-week live options coaching. It's regularly priced at $997. If you want to register, you can enroll at educator2trader.com. You can use that QR code if you like. I really would hope to see you there. We're going to start on Wednesday, June the 14th, and we're going to run all the way till July the 5th, where we will have a graduation. Wah, 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 da, da, da. Yeah, we'll have graduation on July 5th. I was trying to think of what was the graduation song, but it won't come to mind. Alrighty, so educator2trader.com if you want to get registered. I hope to see you there. Real quick, I just wanted to come on. This is Arlissa, Educator to Trader. Wanted to come on and tell you and ask you, I guess, to like and subscribe to the channel. If you like the content that I create and I'm, posting regularly, then go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss anything and you can be a part of all that we're doing here. I'm a coach to sellers. I'm an option sellers coach. If that's a vein that you don't know anything about or you want to know more about, then go ahead, subscribe and check us out all the time. All right. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.